Did you know that the sun gives us 173,000 terawatts? That's almost 10 times the amount of energy the whole world uses in a year. Solar power is a renewable energy. Renewable energy means that it comes from a natural source and that it's replenished faster than it's consumed. So how can we take solar energy and turn it into electric energy? Solar panels. Today, I'm at a solar farm in Sunbury, New Columbus, Ohio, and I'm ready to roll up my sleeves and get a little dirty to harvest some sunlight.
That's not how it works.
Wait, what?
Hi, my name is Jake Kuss. I'm the Executive Director of Shared Power Network. When the sun comes down and hits the ground here, there's a portion of sunlight called a photon. That photon will hit the solar cell here. There's a negative side and a positive side within the solar cell, and the photon comes out and knocks out an electron. Those electrons, when they pass from that negative to positive side, these little filaments in here collect the electrons and funnel them all down into larger rods. So the smallest filaments on here go to the larger, and then all at the end there's a collection system on the back here, the solar panel, and that's where it's all collected in that one point, and it flows out from that point. This is an off-grid system. So the battery backup here collects all of the electricity that's being made. If you aren't storing it or you aren't using it on this system, that electricity is lost in that moment. But if you're connected on your house or a building nearby, those are usually connected to the grid. So that's all the big transmission wires that you see up on the telephone poles. But on a system on your home or your building, that electricity will get used there first. And if there's any excess, it'll then go out onto the grid. So most solar panels are made mostly out of glass and aluminum, which is good. That's a lot of recyclable material. It's a lot of relatively easy to find material. So there's a glass coating on all solar panels, but the cells themselves, the black part here is made of silica, which is basically sand. And then the housing is mostly aluminum. There are some metals in here that are a little bit more expensive, and that's kind of where the cost comes from with solar panels. Most panels last for 30 plus years, and so it's something you don't have to worry about for a while. Solar panels continue to become more and more efficient and cheaper along the way. Panels now are anywhere from kind of 25 to 35% efficient. A lot of things that you can do to kind of think about the electricity that you use. Little things like unplugging appliances that you're not using. Always turning off the light switch when you leave a room. Little decisions like that can really impact overall how much electricity you're using at home or at your school.